Hi everyone, this is Meeta. I've upgraded my gas station and convenience store spreadsheet. See how easy and useful it is. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. This is my upgraded gas station and convenience store spreadsheet. There are now 40 income sources, 50 operating expense categories, 40 cost of goods sold categories, 4 fuel items, and 4 fuel tanks. All of these categories come pre-filled, but you can go in and change any of them as you like simply by typing it in. So say one of your income sources is confectionery, just go and type that in. And the same goes for all of your operating expenses, cost of goods sold, your fuel types, and your fuel tanks. This is your dashboard, which gives you a very nice overview of how your business is performing, both on a monthly and year-to-date basis. You get to see what your income is, your cost of goods sold, your gross income, operating expenses, net profit, percentage. You also can see what your sales percentage is by category. As you can see, you get a breakdown by each income source, each cost of goods sold, each expense category. You also have an automatically generated profit and loss statement. This is great to have during tax time. You can simply print it out, hand to your accountant, or use it yourself to file your taxes. Let's jump to entering some transactions. This is the income tab where you will enter all your income transactions. I've already entered some sample transactions, and let's enter another transaction here now. Let's say we enter it for March 31st. And this is an income, say fuel of 1500. You can have a sales tax of say 5%. It gets automatically generated, and you get your total income up here, your net income out here, how much your sales tax is. And if you come to the dashboard, you'll see for March your fuel sales were 1500. This also gets reflected in your total income, your net profit, and up over here. Next we go to the expenses tab, and this is where you would enter all your expense transactions. Let's enter a transaction for say March 15, and let's choose utilities and say our utilities were $80. And you'll see your net expenses get updated, your total expenses get updated, and this also shows in your dashboard. Your total expenses for March are $80. That's your net profit. Your net profit gets reflected over here as well. We also have a balance sheet template where you can record all of your assets and your liabilities. It will also automatically generate ratios like your debt ratio, current ratio, etc. And this is great to have to hand to an investor or your bank. Next we have a fuel reconciliation tool. Simply enter the date, say it is April 20. Choose the fuel item, say regular, and say this is fuel tank 1 that it goes into. The starting gallons you'll record from your ATG, say this is going to be 8,000. Then the number of gallons that were delivered that day, say about 3,000. Then this is where you'd record your closing gallons for the day, say it was 5,000. And this shows you what was the difference between your starting and your ending gallons and any deliveries that were made. Then you would record from your point of sales what you actually sold. So say you actually sold 5,890, and this says that your variance between your metered sales and your physical sales is 110 gallons, and this is your variance percentage of 0.02%. Next we have 3 tabs to reconcile your card payments like Comdata, Mudflap, WEX. This reconciliation template basically lets you see what you received from the customer, what you paid in merchant fees, any other fees, what you expect to be getting paid from your processor, what the processor actually paid, when he paid it, and the variance. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also reach me at my website moneyusage.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.